Welcome to Tuesday, actually Wednesday. For today's math assignment, we're going to be covering Google Classroom assignment page 364, numbers 3 through 11. We're going to be continuing with our 3D objects. What I want to show you here is how to find the area of a rectangular prism. Let's start with this. So as you can see, if you start with a rectangular prism, over here at the very beginning, there's really not an easy way to find the area of it by keeping it the way it is. You would just have to find the area of each separate face. As we discussed yesterday, the face are what we used to call the sides. So each separate face we need to find the area of. The best way to do this is to unfold the shape. In math, we call this making a net of the rectangular prism. So making a net is the same thing as what we would just say unfolding a shape. So if we start with the rectangular prism at the left and we unfold it, we end up with something that looks like a cross. And then once you have your cross, you can go ahead and label it side, back, top, and front and side. And then you can find the area of each one of those faces, and then you add all of those up together. So let me show you what that looks like. But basically, this is how you start anytime they're asking you to find the area of a rectangular prism. You unfold it. Okay, so if this is our shape, and they want us to find the area, what we would do first off is to unfold it. So to unfold it, basically what they want us to do, and these don't have to be perfect shapes that look exactly like the one that we are unfolding. As long as you have the cross shape, you're fine. Okay, so let's start with the first square right here. That's going to be this right here. So this one is, the area, remember, is base times height. So I can tell that this is 4 by 3. So 4 times 3, I know that this particular square is 12. Okay, if I move on, I'll go over to this right here, which is the same thing as this right here. So that is 7 times 3, which is 21. Now here's what you can do. Since that one is 21, it means the one on the opposite side is also 21 because they're the exact same shape. Okay, let's move on to this one here, which is this right here. So that is also the same as the top. So the bottom is this, or the end is also the same as this one. So these two are exactly the same. And then this one over here is actually what's going to be folded onto the very, very top. So the very, very top is 7 by 4. So 7 by 4, that's 28. And here's what's nice as well. The top is the same thing as the bottom in terms of the area. So the bottom is also 28. So what we have to do now is just add up all those numbers. So if I have 21 plus 12 plus 28 plus 21 plus 12 again plus 28 again. If I add all those up, 3, 11, 14, 15, 16, 22, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, if I add all those up, I get 122. So my surface area for this particular example is 122. Okay, so we unfold. Let's look at what if we had a triangular prism. You're going to unfold it as well. So you start off with the left and then you unfold it. It's going to turn into more what looks like a rocket. Instead of a cross like the last one, This one's going to turn more into what's like a rocket or an airplane shape. So here's an example. So if I have this shape, the first thing I'm going to do is unfold it. So I have my rocket ship. So it's basically 3 rectangles, and then you draw your wings to represent the triangular part of it. Okay, so now as we unfold, let's start with this part. That is 13 by 8. So 13 by 8 is 4, carry the 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So that's 104 for that particular section. And then now let's look at the back, which is 5 by 8. That's 40. Now if I look at the first triangle, it's 12 by 5 times 1/2 because it's a triangle. So 12 times 5 times 1/2 is 30. And then the same thing up here. 12 times 5 times 1/2 is 30. And then on the inside, it's going to be 12 by 8. So 12 times 8 is 96. So now I just have to add all of those numbers together. So I have 104 plus 96 plus 30 plus 30 plus 40. Okay, if I add all those together, I get 10, 16, 20. I have 300. So the surface area for this particular prism is 300. So now it's your turn, but it doesn't have to stop here. You can always re-watch the video that I just did, or you can watch the many links that are in Google Classroom. You can watch links that the book has done for you. You can go and look at things that Khan Academy has done for you. You can always email, or you can message me through Google Hangouts. So have a great day.